Tired of your devices dying? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate power solution for endless battery life. This powerhouse packs a massive 20,000 milliamp-hours capacity, letting you charge an iPhone over 6 times or an iPad multiple times. Truly never run out of juice again. What makes it smart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest, safest charge possible every single time. With dual USB ports, you can conveniently power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing or keeping both your phone and tablet ready to go. Beyond the specs, Anker's renowned build quality and compact design make this power bank incredibly durable and surprisingly portable for its immense capacity. Whether you're a traveler, a student, or simply need reliable backup power, this portable charger is an absolute must-have gadget for staying connected. If you're looking to buy the best power bank, check out the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh on Amazon using the link in our description below. Investing in this Anker portable power bank means peace of mind, knowing your devices will always be charged when you need them most. For unparalleled reliability, speed, and capacity, we wholeheartedly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh as the top choice for anyone needing serious mobile power. Don't let a dead battery slow you down. Grab your Anker PowerCore today and power up your life.